a pistol for anyway?
Spooky sleeping out at night in the woods. You might see a bear. Or a garbage can.
I brought a comb.
What do we need a comb for?
Well, if we get on TV, we want to look good, don't we?
It's a lot of thinking, Vern.
Thanks.
2 for flinching. How far do you think it's gonna be?
If we follow the tracks all the way into Harlow, it should be about 20 miles. Sound about right to you, Gordie?
Yeah, it might even be 30.
Gee, maybe we should just hitchhike.
There's no way, that sucks.
Why not? We could go out to Route 7 to the Shiloh Church, then down the back Harlow Road. We'll be there by sundown.
That's pussy.
Hey, it's a long ways.
Did your mother ever have any kids that lived?
What do you mean?
Have done will travel reads the card of a man. A knight without armor in a savage land. His fast gun for hire heaps the calling wind. A soldier of fortune, he's a man called Paladin. We have to fill up at the junkyard. My dad said it's a safe well.
Not if Chopper's there.
Chopper's there, we'll send you
Haha, very funny. Hey, I'm kind of hungry. Who's got the food?
Oh, shit. Did anybody bring anything?
Not me. Gordie?
Oh, this is great. What are we supposed to do? Eat our feet?
You mean you didn't bring anything either?
Well, shit, this wasn't my idea. It was Vern's idea. Why didn't you bring something?
What am I supposed to do? Think of everything? I brought the comb.
Oh, great, you brought the comb. What do you need a comb for? You don't even have any hair.
I brought it for you guys.
Hey! Let's see how much money we got.
Yeah, I got $1 too. And 68 cents from Chris. 60 cents from Teddy. $7, Vern.
Haven't found my pennies yet.
Well, 237's not bad. Quita Cholos is at the end of that little road that goes by the junkyard. I think we can get some stuff there.
Train coming.
Geronimo! Come on, Teddy.
No. I'm gonna dodge it.
Come on, Teddy, man. Get off the tracks, you're crazy.
Train dodge. Dig it.
Get the hell off the tracks, Teddy. You want to get yourself killed?
Just like the beach in Normandy.
Come on, man. Come on. No. Come on, man. I want to dodge this train, man. You asshole, you son of a I'm just trying to save your life, man. You want to kill yourself? Is that what you want, goddammit? You're trying to kill yourself.
I don't need no babysitter.
You do too. Skin it.
I could have dodged it.
Listen, Teddy, you can dodge it on the way back, man. Peace. Skin it.